In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Slack. If you're organizing project notes, creating a quick checklist, or laying out a plan that needs clear structure, a table inside a Slack canvas can make everything cleaner and easier to read. We'll walk through the exact process, step by step, so you can do it confidently in just a few seconds. First, open the canvas you want to add a table to. A canvas is Slack's built-in space for rich, shareable documents inside your workspace. You can keep meeting notes there, draft plans with your team, and reference it later without leaving Slack. Make sure you're in the right canvas for the content you're building, so your table lives where your teammates expect to find it. Next, move your cursor to the exact line where you want the table to appear. It's best to place it on a new, empty line. That way your table won't split existing text, and you'll have plenty of room around it for headings or notes. If you need a fresh line, press Enter once to create some space and position your cursor there. Now, type /table, just like this, /, followed by the word table, and press Enter. Slack recognizes this as a simple command inside a canvas. As soon as you hit Enter, Slack drops in a ready-to-use table right where your cursor was, so you can start organizing information immediately without any extra setup. A table will then appear in your canvas. Click into any cell and begin typing to add your content. Keep your information concise and consistent across rows and columns, so it's easy for others to scan. If you're drafting something like a task list, consider using the first row for labels such as task, owner, and status to keep everything clear. When you need more room, hover on the edges at the end of either a column or a row to add more columns and rows. As you move your pointer to the far right or the bottom edge of the table, you'll see controls appear that let you extend the table in the direction you need. This makes it simple to grow your layout gradually as your content expands. And there you go. That's all you need to insert a table in a Slack canvas and shape it to fit your content. If the table doesn't appear, double-check that you're editing a canvas rather than a regular message box. With this approach, your notes and plans will be structured, readable, and easy for your team to follow.